Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to adjust temperature on AO Smith water heater. Step by step heat setting tutorial. Step 1. Turn off the circuit breaker if you have an electric AO Smith water heater. If you have a gas model, leave it on. Second one is find the temperature control. For electric models, remove the access panel to reach the thermostat. For gas models, find the temperature control knob near the bottom of the tank. Third one is adjust the temperature. Turn the thermostat or control knob to the temperature you want, then turn it toward hot to increase the temperature to toward warm to lower it. Then if your electric water heater has two thermostats, see both the same temperature. Put the insulation and access panel back in place if you remove them. Turn the circuit breaker back on if you have an electric model. Then wait 1 to 2 hours for the water to heat to the new temperature. Then turn on a hot water bucket and check the temperature. Then adjust it if needed. Thanks for watching.